This video I'm just going to cover the information displayed on the left hand side. So let me kind of show you some things. If you want the information there, you can. If you don't, there's ways to eliminate that. So here we have a show trend line true is the default setting. If I say as false, then you'll see on the left hand side this information here will be deleted and be eliminated. Here on, again, if I go to the properties section, if I don't want this information to be displayed, I can change that information on the commands to be set as false. You can see that information being disappeared. If I want to, I can actually keep that information there. I can go ahead and actually pull that back up by setting it as true. So if this information is useful for you and you like the information that is displayed on the left hand side and help you understand where it's going to enter the trade based on a close or the information of the order. So let's look at that too. Showing order information. If I want that information to be displayed, I can say true and say OK. This information will be displayed on the left hand side of what the current market or current order is doing. You can see the risk reward, stop loss, take profit, and the tick number. Again, that's information that if you decide to use and utilize, you can have it displayed. This enable notification information. This one right here is notifying you by an email. So if I set that as true and say OK, what I want to do is go to Tools and say Options and fill out this information and click on Email. So the SMTP server information can be found through your broker or your email provider. And there's some other services that can help you with this functionality. Here's your login information from your demo or live account, who it's from. You can put your name there or your company, and then to your email account. So whatever your email is, and then you can test it to see if it sends you an email. This notification concept is if a trade is being placed or a certain command is being functioned, it can send you an email for you. For those that don't want the trade to be placed, you can use this functionality right here, which is enable notify only, meaning that if you set this as true, it won't pull the trade. It will actually just notify you by email, and you can decide if you want that trade to be in there after you see the charts. This next command right here is a great functionality. It's called remove opposite commands. So if you set it as true and say OK, in the situations that you'd use this command would look for similar situations like this. So here, for instance, if it breaks above here and closes, it would activate this buy start command, and this sell start command will be eliminated. And vice versa, if the market decides to break the bottom of the triangle, closing, entering the trade as a sell position, then here on the top hand side, the buy start command will be eliminated. So if you're looking for consolidation breakouts or sideways markets, you can use it in a horizontal manner as well as a trendline manner. Going back to the properties section, there's some other functionalities that you can use on here if this is for your channel trading. So you can open new positions only, and then also this keep triggered commands are functions that if you want to keep the actual command inside. So after it closes above this line, if you want the command to still appear there, this functionality can be set as true. There's pros and cons about this situation. You want to refer to the manual for more information for you to utilize this concept. This next concept is called limit orders. Now, limits and stop orders are special orders for the Magic Stick. You must have it set as true in order to use these functionalities and these order types. So let's actually cover that for you. In order to use a stop order for a buy start, so here for instance, if I put in buy stop, I must have market price be below the area first for it to expecting the market just to touch the area and continue going upwards. A buy limit situation would be where I would actually put in the command here as a buy limit, and what I'm looking for is the market price to be above the buy limit order market to come back down, touch this area, expecting it to reverse in that area and continue going upwards. If I'm using a stop order on the sell start situation, so sell stop, and then this one right here has the sell limit. What that is price to be below the line. If it's a sell limit situation, I'm expecting price to come back up, touch this area, and reverse downwards for a sell opportunity. A sell stop situation is when I expect the market to touch this area and continue going downwards. So those are special orders that you want to look for if it is inside your trading plan.